Welcome to another video, guys. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to install the battery tender in your vehicle, so stay tuned. It's just going to be a quick episode. If you have a vehicle that doesn't get used much and you don't want your battery to die, I'm going to show you how to install a battery tender today. So this is the just a small 750 milliamp battery charger and maintainer from Battery Tender. This is what it comes with. So you get the quick connect cable with the clamps. You have the cable that has the little eyelets to leave it in the vehicle, and the actual charger itself. Pretty good charger. These cost about $30. If you buy it at Walmart, they're about $27, or you can get it online for about $35. And pretty easy to install. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to install one on the on this truck here, and I'm also going to install one on the car over there. Now, like for my car here, this is the other wire I have. I extended it a little bit so that way it reaches, so you have an access point to it. I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing to do is to connect it to your battery. So you can bolt it to any of these. So on this truck here, I'm going to set up to these studs. I already have 2 nuts that fit right on top of here, and so that's what I'm going to do there. Now on this car here, it has the older style terminal, so I already have 2 nuts on each one of these, so I'm just going to loosen the outer nut here and connect it to here. Now you can just do it as it comes from the box, and you can open the hood every time you're going to connect it and just have it, I'm going to get this unwrapped here real quick. So you can connect this to your battery and just have the cable here. Now you'll have to pop the hood when you plug it in. The way I'm gonna do it is I'm going to connect it here to the battery, and then I'm gonna run it like on the car here. I'm gonna run it underneath this core support and just have the plug sit somewhere right here on the grill, so I can just reach and unplug it or plug it in without opening the hood. So that way I can just quickly unplug it and be on my way. When I get home, I can just come out the front and plug it in real quick. I have this other maintainer here, the cord, so I can just plug it in really fast. But either way, I'm gonna show you real quick, if you need to extend it. I did use both of these cables, so I donated some of the cables from this one to extend the other one. Well, it's over there now, but anyways, let's get started. So I just extended this wire like I told you guys. So I just cut the other one, extended it, put some Tesa tape all over it so it looks nicer. So with this one, I'm just gonna keep it here. It's gonna be hard to see, but I'm just gonna put it in through the little hole that's right on top here, and I'm gonna push it down to this small opening. or maybe not. Scratch that. I'm gonna just double check where I can put it through. This vehicle does have the active vents on the grill, so I don't want to put in between where those vents are gonna move. So let me just check where those are at. Okay, so up front here, I was gonna put it where I can just get it through here, but the whole grill has the active vents on this model, so that wasn't gonna work. So just keep that in mind if you have a newer vehicle. I just put it through here, so just kind of right here through the side, and then there's a small little opening here, so I can plug it in right here. When I'm not using it, I can just kind of fold it right in there, and you know, it's not like noticeable sticking out. And then I just pushed it through here, which also has a little hole that goes into up here. So pretty straightforward. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here on the battery and connect it. So I'm gonna put this negative here. And obviously this is just a little charging cable, so you know, you don't have to have it so tight, but just make sure it's snug. And then this other one that has the fuse, and you want to keep the fuse just to make sure if there's anything, you know, wrong with it, it pops that fuse. But this one is going to be right on the other side up here. So this is what it's going to look like on this truck here. Obviously, you know, you just have the fuse, it's bolted in there. And then this one here, the negative, comes right around the battery here, comes through here, and then just up here. Pretty simple. I just got to connect this to the wall and plug it in. Now usually I have this parked in a different garage, so I might have to run an extension because I don't think there's power on that side. But if I was in this garage here, I have an outlet right there on the corner that I can just plug that in and then have the cord right. You know, usually I have the truck going the other way, so pretty straightforward. Let's go to the car here and I'll show you guys how to do this one now. Alright, so this one is hooked up, same thing. Got it, the negative, positive goes through here, and then I have it right here on the grill. So with it being that way, I don't have to worry about opening the hood anytime I'm going to plug it in. So, you know, once you park, the plug will be right here, and I can just move it where you really can't see it, but it's right in here, so I can just come in, take the little cover off and plug it right in. And then when I'm gonna leave, I just unplug it and ready to go. So it's pretty simple. That'll keep your battery fully charged all the time. And you know, the maintainer, it charges your battery, but once it's fully charged, then it turns off. And then once it goes down a little bit, it'll turn back on. So it's not gonna damage your battery or anything. It's automatic, so you really don't have to do anything, just plug it in. Alright guys, so that's how you connect the battery tender there. Pretty simple process. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Any comments, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.